Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another recap. Today is the 4th. Happy Friday. So let's go over my trades today. Overall, today was kind of whippy day. But let's go ahead and open up SPY real quick. So if you see SPY is obviously doing good, making higher highs and whatnot. It did have a good run. So if you look at the daily, it's going up definitely. Maybe expect a pullback, a minor pullback coming up. Let's see how Tesla's doing today. Tesla, it's kind of hovering around that same spot like yesterday. It seems to be like 598, pretty much 600 is resistance there. But anyways, so today I was watching, a few stocks, and if I pull those up, HGSH, right? I didn't trade that one, but I'll show you real quick. So this stock was very whippy. As you can see, like just a lot of upper wicks, bottom wicks. I mean, it just was very hard to see, which side it was going to go. So I didn't really touch it at all. But it had a decent run. But again, it was not my type of thing, so I didn't touch it, right? I mean, if you see these drops are crazy. I mean, even this drop, right, from 447 all the way down to 401, pretty much 50-cent drop at that point, right? So this is why I didn't want to touch it. Even over here, 537 all the way to 495. So you got to be careful. Like 481 all the way to 452. Yeah, I'm good. So I didn't touch that. PPSI was another one. This one, I took a trade, but I got a false breakout, and that trade was pretty much over the break of 520, this spot right here. I got in for this break right here, 520, and I was expecting this to go to at least 530, 535, but it came to 525, and then it came down and I got out for a loss. And then again, it broke, but I didn't get in this time, but it went up to 536, kind of like where I was getting to get out, but it dropped again. So at that point, I just kind of took it off, and but it was holding like, I guess, a higher low pretty much. So which is here, and it took off from there. But again, it was whippy, and I don't want to risk it again. So and later on, it kind of like came down, but kind of took off from here again. And again, there really wasn't any setup around here for me. Just again, these drops are crazy. I mean, from 533 to 520 is not that bad, but if you're holding for the next couple of candles, that's all the way to like 498. So yeah, something to be mindful of for sure when you're trading these stocks. CATB kind of had a decent run today. What else was I watching? CIDM I was watching. But overall, again, today, like all of my trades were not good. HX was another one that I got caught in. If I pull up HX, this one was very whippy, but these consolidations for, it was kind of worth it, but then kind of flushed back down. And it was for this candle right here. And then after that, it kind of broke out again and it came back down and it came back down. But this consolidation here was a good breakout, but I missed it. I would have got in here for sure, just because now my risk is very tight, just a few cents, versus over here. I mean, look at this drop from 315 all the way to like 290. That's a lot. So definitely like whippy price action today. And I traded HX today. CATB. CATB was my only trade that I was green on, and that was it. Overall, I would say it was, again, whippy day. The writing was on the wall, so that's why I took the L today. I took the loss at 146, which is a manageable loss for me, which is fine. It's only 0.5% of my account, which is what I like to target for. 0.5%, it's like, okay, if I hit that target, my hands are away from the keyboard, 28 plus pattern. But since today was Friday, and I don't want to risk it, right? Fridays are kind of like rough sometimes. You never know. So I'm just going to take my 0.5%. I'm good. I can always come back with that. I can recover that. 1% is my max daily loss, which means I'm not touching, I'm shutting it down and I'm out. So but 0.5% is where I like to keep it at if I can. So that way it's just more manageable in that sense. Other than that, hopefully you guys are green. And if you're still trading, just be careful. It's Friday. It's, sometimes whippy on Fridays. So, but in the pre-market, it did kind of look good in terms of like, all the stocks that were like gapping up and had volume. So it seemed like it was hot, but then again, when the market opened, it was kind of whippy. So, but it's all good. Next week, hopefully it's good. If not, we'll just take it by the ear, play day by day, and stick to our plan. Other than that, that's it for me. And I will see you guys Monday.